Karibisha. Sasa nilikuwa nimesema hiyo jina ilikuwa, you know, it's I don't know how to call him. A great man of God.
Yeah, I was a great man of God.
I'm getting there. A great man of God carried that name. The
yes.
carrier of that name, Reinhard Bonnke. So
Yes.
I don't know why you named after him, and are you able to do like some, you know, great stuff like he did? Tell us about it.
Yes, I was named after him, and that was after he came for some crusade in Mombasa.
Okay.
So many years, 30-something years ago, almost 40. Number 2, yes, I'm also doing great things. Like, ukiangalia hata hiyo video, it's one of a kind. So I'm also doing great things. And apart from that kind of great stuff, video, I'm also a minister, of which I do great things in the ministry.
Like what? Like what do you do in ministry?
I sing, I teach, I minister, I spread the gospel.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is great work. That is great work there.
Yeah, exactly.
So, you know, it doesn't have to be at you performing miracles, but it is the lives that you're touching through through the songs that you're singing, you know, and you look like you have something to say. Are you performing miracles?
I don't perform miracles, but through my songs, miracles will be performed, because myself, my life itself is a miracle.
Tell us about that life then. How is your life a miracle? Or do you mean that just
Even
by
by
existence today?
Not just by existence, but just a normal example. Just you being here today is a miracle. How many people left home today for work and they never go to work?
Many.
And some are dead, some are in hospitals, some, so being here itself is a miracle. But personally, when I get to my personal life, it's a miracle because I never knew I would be who I am today. Yeah, ni miujiza mkubwa sana kwangu, kwa sababu yale ambayo nimeyapitia na yale ambayo nimeona kwenye maisha yangu kwa umri mdogo. Pengine hata kuna wazee ambao wananizidi na wajaiona ama wajaipitia ambao nimeyapitia mimi.
Okay.
Yeah, kwa hiyo kwangu ni miujiza.
Miujiza.
Na ndio maana nasema anatosha.
Aha.
Yeah.
Okay. Hapo sawa. Tupingani na hiyo mpaka hapo umesema. So, Reinhard, you are a gospel artist or gospel minister?
I'm a gospel minister. I'm a gospel artist. Yeah.
What's the difference?
The difference is the ministry is about the spiritual life, and the art is about the musical and the art. Yes.
So you can you be a gospel artist